that makes... That makes sense. Who's that from? Who do you think it's from?
You.
No.
Grandma?
Very good. Can you read it?
You carrot and have you.
Well, start on the
And
front.
having you. Okay, I don't know what a big word.
That's granddaughter.
Granddaughter live.
Life.
Life is full of wonderful gifts.
Oh.
Dear Carol, and having you for a granddaughter is one of the best. Happy birthdays with love.
What's it say? How did it do inside it in or grandma? Or gran?
Okay, I don't know.
Let me see.
I think for the summer they should learn
Grandma.
script because they'll never be able to write checks.
Well,
My money.
they'll just print.
Money.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, but I don't. I think checks are going out anyway.